Hey guys, Raging Racing here, and today we are getting my car serviced and tuned and hopefully mini-spooled as well. So it will be spinning both wheels, and the diff is going to be locked. It's going to have a good service and tune, so it's ready for Heathcote again. Because last time I went to Heathcote, I wasn't prepared properly, I was just too excited. We took it there and it was spinning one wheel and pretty upset about it. But yeah, the day has come. We're going to pick up the trailer and we're going to tow it to a mechanic about 45 minutes away, and we're going to drop it off there, and hopefully we get my car in good burnout order. So yeah, stay tuned. We have arrived at our destination at Costanzo's Automotive Repairs to get my VN fixed. It's alright there. So yeah,